Alright, boys, on ChallengerTalk.com, got my exhaust done today on my 392. A couple modifications that I did. I don't know if you can see that visor strip sticker there. This is actually a sticker here. It's a visor strip, which is done from the inside. Took off my stock exhaust, as you can see. Too bad I can't keep the tips with the Flowmaster system, but what the hell. These pipes, by the way, are 2 3/4 pipes. Just want to confirm that. And it is an X layout, as you can see. Here's the small little resonators they put on the factory 392 exhaust, and here's the muffler, and of course the tips. Okay, upgraded, guys, to the Flowmaster. I don't know if you can read that. 3-inch in diameter. I'm going to try to get under the car so you guys can kind of see. Yeah, the muffler, the Flowmaster mufflers are down there, up there. There are 2 of them. You can see that. 3-inch pipes, full cat back here, guys. Start her up. That's my other car. I just cut the suitcase muffler off of this one. So there is no suitcase muffler on the 392s. I'm gonna try to prop this phone right here, so you guys, this iPhone, so you can kind of see once I start this beast up how it sounds. Just a minute. This is that idle right here. Sounding really, really good. Nice purr. Well, more than a purr. Nice roar. I'm gonna do a few revs here, get the idea. Thanks for tuning in, guys, to my Mopar garage. Thank you, Flowmaster, and I am signing off. Oh, those are my custom plates. Take care, guys.